Okay, let's continue with our journey on the kinetic theory of gases. So you remember we talked about derivation of the pressure of a gas inside a container, and the molecules are continuously striking the surface of the container and getting reflected back. There is a change in momentum, and that momentum change is resulting in force on the container wall, and that force divided by area gives you the expression of pressure due to a gas. Now there is another way you can do interpretation of this equation, which is 1 by 3 rho v square, is you write density in this expression of pressure as mass upon volume. So if you see the screen, what you find is, if you have to increase the pressure, you probably would like to increase the mass of the gas inside, right? Which means if the mass of one molecule is m and the number of molecules is m, n, it is m into n. So if you increase the mass, that is, you increase the number of molecules, this is another way of increasing the pressure. Which means if you are filling a tire with more air, you're increasing the mass and you're increasing the pressure of the gas. This is what happens when you go to the petrol station and get the air filled up. The pressure goes up because the mass goes up. Always remember this expression next time when you visit your petrol pump. Thank you very much.